More layoffs at MGM Resorts. Hundreds of workers tonight now out of a job.
The eliminated positions were announced today. 8 News Now reporter Orko Manna explains what this means and shows us how other companies are trying to help here.
It's a total transformation for one of the Las Vegas Strip's biggest employers. MGM Resorts International announced Thursday that more than 500 positions are being eliminated. The news came in this internal letter sent to employees from MGM Resorts CEO James Murren. It states since their last round of job cuts, changes to leadership structures resulted in 222 eliminated positions, and that on Thursday, 557 more employees are being let go. An MGM spokesperson tells 8 News Now the layoffs are overwhelmingly for management positions. It's all part of MGM 2020, an initiative meant to grow the company in the future. Now a local consulting company is stepping in by trying to help laid-off workers find job opportunities.
My initial reaction was concern for the individuals. Having worked in hospitality for 25 years, I worry about, them going home and telling their families the news.
In the letter, Murren says, quote, "I stand by the decisions we have made and believe them necessary to assure our future, but I deeply regret the impacts they have on individuals and their families. To help with the transition, MGM says there will be a 2-week non-working notice period during which health care and other benefits will remain intact. Laid-off employees will get 2 weeks of severance for every year of service, up to 26 weeks for salaried positions, and up to 13 weeks for hourly positions. There will also be several months of career counseling services." MGM Resorts says this is their second and final round of major cuts. Reporting near the Strip, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.
We reached out to hospitality experts and asked if other Las Vegas properties could absorb many of the people who were let go at MGM. One expert says it depends on their qualifications and the job demand. It is important to note there are several new projects underway on the Strip that might lead to job possibilities.